Have you faced an issue with the Wi-Fi not working on your Instagram? Don't worry. Here's a quick and easy guide on how to solve this Wi-Fi not working problem on your Instagram. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before doing anything, ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Otherwise, check this easy solution below. Solution 1. Change DNS for your Wi-Fi. Open Settings, tap Wi-Fi, tap the eye icon, scroll down, tap Configure DNS, tap Manual, remove all the previous info, tap Add Server. First of all, tap 8888, then enter 8844. Tap Save. Now restart your iPhone. Solution 2. Turn on and turn off the airplane mode. Slide down, turn on airplane mode, and wait for 30 seconds, and then turn it back off. Check if your internet issue is fixed or not. Solution 3. Forget your Wi-Fi and reconnect it. Open Settings, tap on Wi-Fi, and now tap on the eye icon. Tap on Forget this network. After that, tap on Forget, and reconnect again. Solution 4. Offload the Instagram app. Open Settings, scroll down, tap on General, now tap on iPhone Storage. Find the Instagram app, tap on it, tap on the Offload the app button, and tap Offload again. Now reinstall the app, and check your problem whether it's fixed or not. Solution 5. Give a reset to the network settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Transfer and Reset. Tap Reset. Tap Reset Network Settings. Do this again. So, this is how you can solve the Wi-Fi not working problem on Instagram. If you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.